In the pursuit of the perfect green, silence is the first ingredient. Welcome to the Emerald Pulse. We monitor the chlorophyll density in real time, waiting for the exact moment of peak molecular vibrance. For 21 days, we deprive the plants of sunlight, forcing the leaves to produce an explosion of L-Theanine. Only the flushes are chosen. Robotic precision ensures zero bruising of the delicate cellular walls. Speed is critical. From the field to the steamer in less than 30 minutes to halt oxidation. Flash steaming. This 20-second process locks in the vivid emerald hue and the fresh, grassy aroma.
Precision thermodynamics prevent the leaves from turning yellow, preserving the emerald pulse.
Rapid cooling. We use ionized air to strip away moisture while maintaining the leaf's structural integrity. The birth of tencha. Slow, uniform drying at low temperatures transforms the leaf into a brittle jewel. We remove the stems and veins, leaving only the pure, nutrient-rich meat of the leaf.
Molecular separation by weight. This ensures the final powder is free from any fibrous bitterness.
Safety without heat. Gamma irradiation eliminates all microbes without damaging the volatile antioxidants. Advanced physics for a zero-contamination environment. The heart of the factory. Granite stones, hand-carved to a tolerance of 0.01 millimeters. Slow motion grinding. To prevent heat friction, each mill produces only 30 grams of powder per hour. The powder is so fine it behaves like a gas. This is the 5-micron standard of the Emerald Pulse. We use anti-static technology to prevent the fine particles from clumping together. Total uniformity. Every grain is a perfect sphere of flavor. Experience the texture of perfection. Soft, dense, and vibrantly alive. Homogenizing the pulse. We ensure every batch meets the apex visual signature. Scientifically verified vibrance. The brightest green in the industrial world. Oxygen is the enemy. We package in a 100% nitrogen environment to stop aging in its tracks. We store the finished matcha in a cryogenic state to preserve its biological energy. The mark of the Emerald Pulse. A guarantee of high-tech craftsmanship. Blockchain traceability. From the specific tea bush to your bamboo whisk. Pure air, pure tea. An ISO Class 5 environment for an elite product. The fusion of ancient ritual and modern engineering. The foam stability is a result of our nano grinding process.
The scent of a spring morning, captured by technology. We don't just process tea, we manage plant biology at the atomic level. Purity that exceeds all global food safety standards.
High-tech mechanics driving a traditional process. Nature's hardest minerals, shaped for the softest powder. Triple filtered for absolute material purity. The breath of the factory, keeping the Emerald Pulse cool and fresh. A landscape of health and vibrance. The beacon of the tea industry.
Apex process.
Milligram precision for a luxury experience. Designed to repel light and heat. Final logistics. Protecting the pulse until the very last mile. The ultimate human audit of our robotic perfection. A symphony of flavor that resonates through the body. Sustainability through chemical-free sanitation. Engineering the future of traditional flavors. The raw beauty that powers the emerald pulse. Optimizing the atmosphere for the world's finest powder. Preventing the loss of a single emerald particle.
Maintaining the tools of our trade with surgical care.
Real-time nutrient tracking during the entire process.
Control. Safety. Excellence.
Our final defense against time itself. From our high-tech labs to the world's most prestigious tables.
The liquid emerald. The emerald pulse.
Starting with the water, ending with the soul.
Predictive agriculture for a consistent harvest. Sharpness that preserves the cell structure. Closed-loop transport to prevent any environmental exposure.
Beyond organic. This is APEX Pure. Ancient geometry meet fluid dynamics.
Shielding the green from the harsh light of the world.
The high security zone of the emerald pulse.
Purity in every drop. Rejecting the imperfect, embracing the elite. Harmonic balance for a smooth grind.
Testing solubility for the perfect lattes and teas. We see what others ignore.
The precision of our packaging reflects the precision of our tea. A microcosm of industrial excellence.
Grace in the final stage of production.
Preserving the pulse.
The moment of release. The moment of truth.
Studying the physics of the 5-micron particle.
APX standard achieved. Emerald pulse confirmed.
marking our legacy in stone. The day's work is done. The pulse continues. Perfect temperature control for perfect tea.
Tools of the ritual. Tools of the elite.
Protecting the world's most valuable green powder.
From the heart of the machine to the heart of the consumer. The ultimate endpoint of our industrial journey. The Emerald Pulse beating across the planet.
Light as a dream, heavy with health.
Even the dust is a treasure.
Sustainable power for a sustainable tradition. Maximum antioxidant power in every gram.
The first breath of the Emerald Pulse.
The Emerald Pulse.
Nature's diadem, perfected by science.
Apex process. The standard of the future.
Apex process. Engineering the Emerald Pulse.